ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಜಲ್ದಿ. That white XUV guys is too slow. One good thing about this bike is the practicality guys. ಹೋಗ್ರಪ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ. Oh, look at that guy. Oh my god, he is full sending in the city. No helmet. Oh, he is like riding crazy, the Pulsar guy. I don't know, people stare when we have a GoPro strapped to a helmet. I already got 2 stares. My helmet looks psych guys. Look at that, the angry eyes and the GoPro. The teeth which the bird is showing is really good. It's dope man. I don't know, when I see this car I feel like eating it. It is that delicious. Ping 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 indicator sound, old school. I like it. Look at that kid. He is staring at my helmet and is wondering what is that which is strapped on it. Whoa, dude, easy. And here we go, the bad roads. This is one off-roading inside Bangalore. So if you guys have an Impulse or an ADV, you can come here in groups and do off-roading. So Bangalore is now giving you the option of off-roading as well in the city. Shitty roads. If you are getting sleep, please ride on this road. You will be getting back pain as well. Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another episode. Guess what, look at this key bunch. Yeah, a Honda right now with me. So you might be wondering all of a sudden why Honda on the Bucks channel. It's not a super bike though. Without further ado, let me show the bike. Here it is, the CB Hornet 160R. It's a BS4 version. It has the combi brake system with the Nissan rotors and brakes. It has a front disc and rear also the same. Let's get going. It has the LCD screen, as you can see. This is the total kilometers. The time it's showing wrong, I need to set it. And this, the top horizontal region is for the RPM, and the left corner it is for fuel, and the center is for the speed. It has the neutral indicator but doesn't have the gear indicator, so it depends on the rider. It should be knowing which gear is riding in. It has the button start as well as kick start. So let me just kick it, because early morning when you're starting your bike cold, it is always best to kickstart the bike. So one thing, you have to fold the rear footrest and then kick. This is old school buddy. So right now the fuel is really low. I need to fuel her up. The gear system 1 down and 4 up. So I'm not wearing any gloves guys, so this is just a ride to the workshop. It's pretty comfortable. The first impression, the braking is really good. Yeah, the gearing is smooth. ಗುರು ಜಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಂಡೇಲು ಅವನು ಯಾರೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಜಲ್ದಿ. That white XUV guys is too slow. ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ. One good thing about this bike is the practicality guys. You can aramse filter like a mouse in traffic. ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ರೊಚ್ಚಿಗದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ XUV ಅವನು. So less fatigue riding these kind of bikes in the city. 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತಗ್ರು, 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, 89 rupees man, a liter of petrol. So I have forgotten my wallet. I need to pay through Google Pay. So 500 rupees, I get 5.59 liters of petrol. Aita guru. This bike is very lightweight, so it's easy when you're pushing the bike. Everything is easy with this Honda. That's what the Honda bikes are, easy. So half a tank of petrol done. Let's move ahead. The engine is so smooth on this bike, and you can easily tour on this bike for longer time without any fatigue. It is that smooth. Let's see how the bike performs in Bangalore city's day-to-day traffic. This part of Bangalore is so good. I like such kind of places. For example, look at this, so silent, and always it's very green around. The Bangalore was so good in the 90s when I first came to this city with my father. It was in 1998. That time it was so good. Traffic was very minimalistic. This particular place, Baswangudi, was very, very good. As you can see on my left, the famous BMS College of Law. Yeah, it feels so good riding the bike in such parts of Bangalore. The culture, the people, and the food, oh my god. Bangalore has varieties of food culture because a lot of people from different parts of India migrate to Bangalore. If you take IT work culture, it has a lot of people with different cultural backgrounds. That's the beauty of this place, the capital of Karnataka, Bangalore. Namma Bengaluru. My GoPro Hero 8 Black, sometimes it doesn't respond, it doesn't get on. So what I do is I will remove the battery and put it back, then it will be fine. Guys, the people, they are staring at me. I mean, it's due to my helmet. It has this fancy birdie design with a GoPro strapped on it. That is where I am getting noticed a lot. Enjoying this. This happens in the city when a guy with a fancy helmet with a quirky design and a GoPro strapped to the helmet rides in the city. BMW Mini Cooper S, the only hot hatch in the BMW lineup. It's a legend, guys. I mean, the design is so good. I wish to own it one day. I don't know, when I see this car, I feel like eating it. It is that delicious to look at. I need to take a left from here. This car is so low to the ground. Look at it going. That's the biggest advantage if you are on a track or on the highway doing high speeds. Beautiful hatch. Okay, one more Cooper S. I think this is convertible. Man, this looks even better. The design of the brake lights, kick-ass, dude. Wow. Okay, the front one is a convertible, and on my left, non-convertible. Both are yes. Okay, this is 2-door. The other one we saw was 4 doors and a boot. And on my left is the tram showroom. That thing sounds crazy. It has the quad exhaust placed at the center. It has that bassy note. I don't know you guys are able to hear or not. And look at the traffic. You know, this bike is so easy to ride in the traffic as well. So I'm testing this bike thoroughly now. The filtering capability is really good. Perfect for such city which has a traffic issue. What I'm trying to say is that these small capacity bikes, right, which are lightweight and smooth, these are made for the cities which are having lot of traffic. The fatigue is not at all there. I am still feeling energetic. Look at that kid. He is staring at my helmet and is wondering what is that which is strapped on it. Traffic even on Sundays. Wow. I need to take a left here. This bike is so easy to ride, man. Filters like no one's business. See? Swing! Tapak! Bad roads, not a problem. Look at this condition of the road, dude. Look at those tires. Humongous. It is a legendary brand. Nothing can give you that driving experience which the BMW gives. Oh no, I cannot recognize which car is this. Is it the BMW M3, M4? It just says M. And that body, dude, what a car. So if you come to Koramangala, or rather I can say if you come to Banaswadi MG road, these kind of areas, right, you get to see a lot of premium cars on the road. Look at him go. Whoa. Whoa, dude, easy. Having a BMW is okay, but fast in the city is not a good option. This bike is lightweight, so nimble, so smooth. What else you need? I should not compare this with KTM BS6 250, but now I'm feeling that I should, because the smoothness of the KTM and this bike, the Honda CB Hornet, is almost similar. Somehow I don't know, this bike is very peppy for the engine size it has. Which is this? It's a Royal Enfield. Is it the new Enfield? Yep. And here we go, the bad roads. This is one off-roading inside Bangalore. So if you guys have an Impulse or an ADV, you can come here in groups and do off-roading. So Bangalore is now giving you the option of off-roading as well in the city. Shitty roads. This goes to Banaswadi. If you are getting sleep, please ride on this road. You will be getting back pain as well. See, the road is so wide, still there is traffic, because this part of the road is somewhat good, at least compared to the left one. So people are always on the right side on this road. Nobody will go on the left because the road is not good. Oh, a Ducati and a Ninja 1000. Nice. I think this is more of a fish market and meat. You can see non-veg stuff. To take a right here. Lot of cops, guys, so when you are riding out or driving out, please have all your documents in hand, proper documents, everything updated. See here, They have caught a street triple. Oh man. See, again we are on bad roads. Bangalore BBMP guys, what's happening? Okay, I'm testing the balancing aspect on the motorcycle when you're riding in the peak traffic. It's really good. Since the bike is lightweight, you can haram se ride at 10 kilometers per hour or even 5 easily in the city. So guys, we are almost nearing the destination for today. Final verdict, this bike is very smooth, lightweight. You can haram se tour on this bike and ride it in the peak traffic. Best of both the worlds. Handling in the city in terms of filtering is really good. There are no vibrations, I can say, nothing. That makes this bike stress free. You can ride it. Dude, where is the indicator? You can ride this bike all day long. If you have that fuel in the tank, you can ride this bike all day long. It handles bad road like this. If you are one who wants to learn motorcycles, who wants to tour and has low budget and wants a Honda which is amazingly reliable, go with this bike. Looks good. I will put the details of the mileage and the specs of this bike in the comment section. Okay guys, take care. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.